the culture of eating dogs, cat, blood of the goat, and so maybe they can explain me more. Good morning, guys. I have a flight to Hanoi. Time in Da Nang passed really fast. Really good place. I will come back. Let's see what's going on in Hanoi. Last time I was in Hanoi was maybe 5 years ago. So yeah, happy to go back. Hopefully the weather will be good, because I know it's expected quite some rain and really hot weather. But yeah, what time is it anyway? It's 10 to 9 in the morning. Flight is at 11. So yeah, let's go and see what happens. Da Nang airport. 2 minutes I go inside, leave my luggage. It's kind of sad to leave Da Nang beside the weather that is honestly boiling. It's really a beautiful place. Hanoi. Hello.
To Saigon?
No, Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Queue is long, but not too long. At the end, it's a small airport, so it should be pretty quick. Past the security was pretty quick, thankfully. Flight is delayed, guys. I never had any issues with Vietnam Airlines, but today, not good. So basically, flight to Hanoi delayed, but I will show you here. So it's delayed, 11:35, but should have been 11:15. But what's funny is there is another flight to Hanoi, same company. It's probably boarding now, so it makes no sense. But yeah, that's not my flight. I guess we need to wait earlier than scheduled departure, so should be good. Hello. We made it, guys. Let's fucking go. Hopefully nobody next to me, but I doubt airport is packed, so probably there will be someone next to me. By the way, Vietnam Airlines, it's pretty good overall. Never had any issues. We made it, guys. Vietnam, Hanoi. Once you leave the airport in Hanoi, well, it's up to you. You can get Grab. I usually go with Grab, but I want to try a bus. So you turn right at the exit, and there should be bus 86 every 30 minutes, costing should cost about 45,000 dong, which is pretty good. And then once you get to the old town, you can grab a taxi to your accommodation. Let's see if it works. Otherwise, I will jump on a Grab. Let's see. We arrived. I'm not sure actually if the bus driver left us at the right place, but he said city center. I believe there was one more stop, but anyway, here we are. And yeah, I'm not far from the Airbnb. Can't wait to get there. It's honestly now it's crazy hot, but yeah, different vibes. Obviously compared to Da Nang, but also compared to Ho Chi Minh. So we will have time to explore around, guys. The only bad thing is the freaking weather. It's absolutely insane. It's super hot. Guys, finally made it to my Airbnb. Now I will show you what's here on the floor. Not sure. First I will show you, then I will share the details. So this is the bathroom. The landlady told me that they recently renovated. Very good boiler, but guys, the wind in Hanoi feels like a freaking air dryer. It's crazy. absolutely insane. Anyway, yeah, there is a small fan, couch, beautiful, guys. This is honestly probably double than my place in Da Nang. This is the outside. Here it's all family owned, so it's the same family, sister, brothers and stuff. Very kind. I don't know what's up there, but yeah, little desk for work. I will probably stay there, but it's a bit bigger. But also the good thing is the balcony. Very nice. Nice balcony. Here you can have a nice breakfast. Probably it's too hot, but bed. Yeah, once a week cleaning included, and I'm paying 6.5 every 15 nights. So yeah, basically I paid, actually I made a deal, 6.5 every 15 days. So I mean, it's expensive. This will cost, who is writing? This will be like 30 millions per month, which is insane. It's very expensive, but I'm sure if I would do a full month, it would probably maybe go down to 10, 11 millions. I think I found a good place where they sell banh mi, so let's go. There is also a hairdresser there, nice. Bloody hot. Apartment is good, so I was checking the app Grab, where in Da Nang I used to order usually my lunch almost every day, actually every day, and they were pretty quick, it never took longer than 10-15 minutes, while here maybe because I'm near the old quarter, so it's busier, but I saw the average time it's 40 minutes. And yeah, I'm literally minutes away from a restaurant, but tourist, kind of tourist restaurant, so I have to find some good spots for lunch. For the dinner is no problem, because after work I always go out, but literally my Airbnb, it's, I would say, 50-80 meters from Train Street. I will take you there, I don't know, maybe after my banh mi. If it's good, I come every day for lunch maybe. Looks good, guys. Can't wait to try. Alright. So guys, going to the bank so I can pay my Airbnb. I take you with me. Then what's the plan? Then I will take a cold shower and maybe go for a coffee at the train street. Let's see if I can catch the bloody train. And then I will get some dinner somewhere. Look at this nice coffee shop. Hanoi is beautiful, guys. Basically, Ho Chi Minh for parties, Da Nang, Central Coast for seaside, beach time, and Hanoi for for a mix, the mix of everything. It's not crazy like Ho Chi Minh, I believe, but it's really beautiful. In terms of how it looks like, I prefer Hanoi than Ho Chi Minh. Way more beautiful, I believe. But yeah, in Ho Chi Minh it's maybe there is more. They are more open-minded, parties and. But other than that, Hanoi it's unbelievable. It's really beautiful. Let's see, where is this? Let's see. All right, let me see. Real quick. been, I don't know if it's 5 years or more. I believe 5 years. Wow. Since last time in Hanoi. All right. So the bank should be here. Really good. Also, the sun is going down, so it's way cooler. Unbelievable, man. Let's see. I don't know where is the bank actually. Maybe inside. Let me see, guys. The sign was there, if you see, but actually the bank, it's right there. Beautiful. All right. Got the cash for the Airbnb. Problem one sorted. Train street later, guys. How is it called, this cafe? Want to see the reviews. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Let's see what do you have? Something fresh?
You want coffee or
it depends. Which coffee? Ah, okay. Coffee, salted coffee, egg cream, salted coffee. Okay.
Later.
Later pay?
stay here or you
Yes, outside. Yeah, I pay now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Thank you.
It's the hottest day since
Wow.
summer.
Since summer today, yeah? Wow, I just arrived from Da Nang. Da Nang also very hot, but here it's crazy. Yeah. You are from Hanoi? I sit here. Yes, yes. Thank you. Okay. So guys, today apparently it's the hottest day of the summer till now. And it's just the day I arrived. I swear it's crazy hot. So I took a salty coffee, salty iced coffee, and that's it. Very good. Here we go, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. Coffee in Vietnam, guys. I mean, game over for everybody. Wow. Creamy as fuck. Iced cream salt coffee. Really nice. With this pinch of salt on the top. Oh yeah, amazing. Well done. Very good. Very nice. Me? Yes. Very good. I found you on Google Maps because I see you have 5-star review. Yeah, very good. So guys, I was at this cafe. I stopped for a coffee and I met these two guys, girl and a guy, that they work here, and they were explaining me about the culture of eating dogs, cat, blood of the goat, and so maybe they can explain me more. So what do you eat in Vietnam?
I don't eat.
Yeah.
I don't like to eat, but many Vietnamese people they eat dog meat.
Yes. And what else? Other strange animals. For example, you eat dogs, but also cats.
Cat, yes. Some countryside people in countryside they eat cat.
Yeah.
When have event
Yeah.
like gathering reunion, family reunion.
Yeah.
Somewhere they will eat mice meat.
Mice.
Yeah, snake.
Mice from the country, not from the state.
I don't know. And also snake. We have one traditional village. They specialize in snake meat.
Snake.
Yeah, if you want, I can take you there. You try.
Wow. Snake.
Yummy.
Wow. And what about the blood and the brain?
brain.
Yeah, you said they eat brain of pork.
Okay. This tiết canh in Vietnamese we say tiết canh.
Yeah. This is not judging,
From
it's just
blood of pork,
yeah.
of chicken, of goat, of
And you make the blood cooking until it's more solid.
yeah, until it become solid.
Solid, yeah.
More solid, but
Yeah.
not really solid.
Wow.
And we add some herb
Yeah.
and squeeze lemon
Yes.
on top.
Wow, unbelievable. What's the name of your cafe?
My cafe is V Cafe. The address is 216
Yeah.
Hàng Bông Street, Hoàn Kiếm,
And it's very
Hanoi.
good, guys. I tried what was salt coffee, right?
Salted coffee.
Salted coffee and also
salted coffee and egg coffee is the best seller here.
yes, and also they prepare me the ambarella juice. Yes, that's very good. All right, I wanted to share this because very interesting, and these guys are really cool. So if you are around, you can visit this cafe. Good morning, everybody. It's the day after from Hanoi. Today there are 42 degrees, and online it says that feels 49 or 48 degrees. It's insane. If you see, I'm on the balcony with a wet towel on my neck. Yeah, I mean it's crazy. Almost regret that I came. I mean it's a beautiful city, but there is no way. I mean on summer you can enjoy your time outside. It's insane. So I believe the smartest thing, I need to really put some effort. I will have to wake up around 6 and yeah, try to be out very early in the morning to vlog a bit and explore places, and then stay in with the AC and go out at night, yeah, and spend the rest of the day at home. But yeah, anyway guys, that's all. I catch you in the next one. See ya.